Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. So I was quite excited to receive another entry to the giveaway that I'm running, and the giveaway is for a number of different products from the American craft shops that I picked up. And if you'd like to enter, all you need to do is to just send me an email and obviously be a subscriber, and I'll let you know about what you need to do, which is just to send me something inspired by somewhere that somewhere that you've enjoyed going to. As I went on holiday to America and picked up some things I love to bring back, it's about you then thinking about what inspired you, and yeah, if that makes any sense. Check below my previous videos where I explain it a bit better. But this one came through. It's got my little name on it. Isn't that lovely? And I have opened this up to have a look. As we know, I have little patience. And this one is from, I'll just have this bit here, Christine from Christine's Cards and Things, which is beautiful, isn't it, when you have a look? So from Christine's Cards and Things is a lovely card. And card making, I'd say, is probably one of my most favourite crafty activities these days. I do like to dip in and out of other things, but that's beautiful, isn't it? And she's left it blank, so I could post it if I chose to. Handmade by Christine's Cards and Things. So in her letter, which I believe has her address on, so I'm just going to scoot that one down. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to enter into your lovely giveaway. I always enjoy watching your channel. That's very kind of you. And she has a channel too, which I'll link below. This entry is inspired by nature, as I was brought up in the country and my mum had a beautiful garden. The cards have all been inspired by YouTube ideas as well, and I would like to thank all those whose ideas I have taken. As we say, yeah. And I grew up in the country as well, and still I'm lucky enough to live in the country, so I can totally relate to that. What a cute bag she has put these cards inside of with the little froggies. So she's popped in some envelopes for each card, but they're just plain envelopes. So I'm not going to spend lots of time on those. I want to spend time on the beautiful cards that she has made, and you can see how they're very nature inspired. I like how she's taken this, what looks like a die cut, and coloured it in with her markers. And some pretty flowers that she's put her own jewels inside. So kept the inside blank. Very pretty. Birthday card there. Another birthday. Oh, let's put that. So I recognise these adorable little butterflies from Every Craft's a Pound. That's a lovely flourishy one there. And that's beautiful as well, isn't it? And matches this. So gorgeous. And the third one she sent, so they're all on the same theme, a nice little set, has these fabric flowers are really lovely, aren't they? So it's nice to see how she's incorporated all sorts of different things in there to make a pretty matching set. I don't do that enough. I don't make sets of things enough. I'm just like, oh, one card of this, one card of that, and it's totally erratic. But that's definitely made me think that I must go about making like a set of cards at some point in time. So beautiful. So thank you very much, Christine from Christine's Cards and Things. Check out her channel, and if you are interested in entering the giveaway, just drop me an email, which will be listed below. Beautiful. So it's lovely to see what other crafters has been up to, and I will be back very soon and show some things that I've been up to and things I've been buying. Obviously, you know what I'm like. I've bought more stuff because I have no willpower. This is what the issue is. Speak to you soon. Bye.